All right. Hello, everyone. This is Joshua Millage and Mark Nelson of LifterLMS, and today we're going to be walking through the most recent update in the LifterLMS core, and it has to do with quizzes. So, Mark, take it away, buddy.
Cool. Yeah. So there's a lot of little things in this new update, not related to quizzes. We've got some new sidebar support for Canvas and X theme and prototype theme and some other popular themes out there. We added a new short code to restrict content by membership level. There's some other new features for memberships as far as skipping the membership pages, and we'll have a bunch of information on our documentation about that everybody can read up on. But the main feature that we came out with on this release is a new quiz feature, and I'm just going to run you guys through that and give you a little tour. Now, when you go to your quiz, let me pop into my quiz here. You're going to have a little option here to show results. So the idea is you can now show the results of the quiz to the user when they finish. So if I want to show the results to the user, I just toggle this to green, and this is going to give me a few more options. I can decide if I want to show the correct answer to the user, if I wanted to show descriptions on wrong answers, and if I want to show descriptions on right answers. And so when I set that up, I can just save, and my quiz will be set up to display that. On your quiz questions, each question now has some new fields. If I hop into one of my questions, so now I've got my answer fields, and I can select which one's the correct answer, just like I had before, but now I have an explanation field. So now you can put in a specific explanation for each option in the quiz. So I can say that's the correct answer.
And so this pops
Say,
up after they submit the complete for the quiz button.
right. So I'll show you how this works as soon as I set this up. Sorry, not right. So you can now add an explanation field to each option, and you know which one's correct because that's the one that you said is the correct answer. So you can put a little description in here. And if you don't want to show any descriptions for correct answers, you just don't toggle that on the quiz. So I'll update my question. And so now as a user, if I come in here and I take the quiz, I have an option here to view summary on my last score. So if I view the summary, it's going to bring up all my questions. They're going to be either green or red, depending on if I got them right or wrong. And then when I pop it down, it's going to show me the question. It's going to tell me what my answer was. Since I have correct answer displayed, it's going to show me the correct answer. And then here's my clarification. This is my explanation that I put into that field. And so that'll display. Same thing for the incorrect answers. So this gives you the ability to help your students learn better by actually reviewing specific quizzes. So maybe this isn't something you want for a final exam, but this might be something you want for your weekly quizzes. Or maybe it's just important, it's more important to have people learn than it is to have them get the quizzes right. So this is a great way to encourage your students to realize what they got wrong, be able to review everything, and teach them even better than before.
Yeah, it's amazing. I love the ability to increase the communication around right and wrong answers here. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Well, everyone, there'll be some more information on this page, this blog post about where you can learn about all the various things to do with this recent feature release update. And another thing that we have today, and I'll just briefly mention it, and we're going to get into the more details of everything that it does, is our new MailChimp extension, which is available today in the marketplace. Just click marketplace at the top of the page at lifterlms.com, and now you can purchase an extension to allow you to do some pretty cool things with MailChimp and LifterLMS. So, Mark, any closing thoughts for the crew?
Nope, we're really excited about this release, and we're working on a whole bunch of other quiz stuff, so that'll be fun. And you'll be able to check out the documentation and see the changelog and see some more information about the different short codes, actions, and filters that we added in this release.
Right on. All right, everyone, have a wonderful weekend.